Ever heard beets are a superfood powerhouse? They're packed with nutrients, fantastic for your heart, and boost energy and circulation. But what if I told you that this vibrant root could actually work against you if you're not careful? Let's dive into the 5 common mistakes people make with beets and how to avoid them, so you can truly harness their incredible potential for a healthier, happier you. Hello, fellow health enthusiast. If you're already a fan of adding beets to your salads, soups, or juices, that's fantastic. But did you know that overcooking, excessive sugar, or neglecting the leaves can diminish their benefits or even make them harder to digest? Let's explore how to make the most of this amazing vegetable. Beets are a treasure trove of vitamins A, B, and C, essential minerals like magnesium and iron, and potent antioxidants. They promote healthy blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even support brain function. But these incredible benefits can be compromised if certain mistakes are made in the kitchen or on your plate. Let's uncover these pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. When beets are boiled for too long or cooked at excessively high temperatures, they can lose up to 50% of their precious antioxidants and nutrients. The vibrant color fades, and so does the health power. This is a common mistake, but easily avoidable with a few simple tweaks to your cooking method. Health tip: instead of boiling, try steaming or roasting beets lightly. Keeping the skin on during cooking helps preserve the goodness inside. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, while steaming retains more of their water-soluble vitamins. Many people enjoy beet juice mixed with fruit juices or added sugar, believing it's a healthy choice. However, overloading it with sweeteners causes blood sugar spikes and negates the natural benefits of the beets. It's like taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. Diet planning. Keep it simple. Mix beet juice with water, a squeeze of lemon, or a small piece of green apple for a balanced and refreshing drink. This way, you can enjoy the earthy sweetness of beets without the added sugar rush. Those beautiful, often overlooked beet greens are packed with calcium, vitamin K, and fiber. They support bone health, aid digestion, and offer a wealth of other nutrients. Don't throw them away. They're a nutritional goldmine. Cooking advice: add beet greens to soups, sautés, or smoothies. They're just as valuable as the root itself and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Sautéing them with a little garlic and olive oil is a simple and delicious way to enjoy their slightly earthy flavor. Yes, even good things in excess can be harmful. Beets are high in oxalates, which in large amounts may affect kidney health. While beets are incredibly beneficial, it's important to consume them in moderation to avoid any potential issues. Health tip: a moderate serving a few times a week is enough to enjoy the benefits safely. Listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Remember, a balanced diet is always the best approach. Only eating beets raw or only cooked limits the range of benefits you can receive. Balance is key. Raw beets preserve enzymes and fiber, while lightly cooked beets release more antioxidants. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to maximizing the nutritional benefits of beets. Recipe ideas: try alternating between both forms in your weekly meals. Grate raw beets into salads for a crunchy texture and vibrant color, or roast them with other root vegetables for a warm and comforting side dish. Now that we've covered what not to do, let's explore how to get the absolute best from your beets. These 5 tips will help you enjoy them in a way that maximizes their health benefits and enhances your overall well-being. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us grow this community of people who care about their health. Now let's keep going. We've got more ways to make beets work beautifully for your body. Nutrient boost: pair beets with protein. This helps stabilize blood sugar and improves nutrient absorption. Add hard-boiled eggs, chickpeas, or a small portion of grilled chicken to your beet-based meals. Cooking advice: add lemon juice or vinegar. The acidity helps preserve the bright color and supports digestion. A splash of lemon juice can also enhance the flavor of beets, making them even more enjoyable. Recipe ideas. Use beet greens in stir-fries or soups. They're just as valuable as the root and delicious when lightly sautéed. Their slightly bitter flavor adds a unique dimension to your dishes. Health tip. Grate raw beets into salads. They add crunch, color, and raw enzymes that your body loves. A simple salad with grated beets, carrots, and a light vinaigrette is a refreshing and nutritious option. Diet planning. Drink beet juice in the morning. It supports circulation and gives gentle, natural energy to start your day. A small glass of beet juice can be a great alternative to coffee, providing a sustained energy boost without the jitters. Let's take a breath together now and repeat after me. I nourish my body with wisdom and care. Even simple foods bring me strength and vitality. I am learning, growing, and supporting my health every day. Thank you for being here. Remember, even superfoods need a little love and knowledge to work their magic. By avoiding these common mistakes and incorporating these helpful tips, you can unlock the full potential of beets and enjoy their incredible health benefits. Share this video with someone who eats beets. They might be surprised. And subscribe to our channel for more tips that help you live better, one meal at a time. Let's build a community of health enthusiasts who are passionate about nourishing their bodies with wholesome, delicious foods. Take care and keep choosing health with kindness. You've got this. Start incorporating these tips into your diet today and experience the amazing benefits of beets for yourself. Your body will thank you for it.